it really takes a certain guy to wear this with this amount of sauce. You know what I mean? Hey guys, my name is Iver and welcome to our second ever style review. We posted a poll on Instagram on who to review next, and the clear favorite was Luka Sabbat. And who am I not to oblige? And not to spoil anything, but Luka Sabbat is like my #1 style inspiration, so this will be a fun one. We'll take a closer look at 10 different outfits today, some recent, some old, and in the end, we'll have the final verdict. Before we begin though, I would ask you to consider subscribing and liking the video, as it helps the channel out so much. There's a lot going on behind the scenes these days, which will be revealed soon, and I would love for you to come along. But anyways, let's just jump right into the video. We're gonna go from recent to old, and in the first one we have a very recent one, and that is almost a full Balenciaga one. I don't know about the pants, they might be Balenciaga, who knows, but the boots and the jacket are Balenciaga. The boots are definitely on my wish list these days. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they are so chunky and so tall, and I would absolutely love to have them. The jacket is like from 2017 or something, I believe, which was a super hyped up like cropped ski jacket, if you will. Everyone wanted to have these back in the day. I think Sanjeev even had it at some point, but it's absolutely insane. The silhouette is quite cool, quite slim, but then a huge jacket. It's nothing insane, but it seems like a very daily wear type of outfit for him. I think the boots really carry the look, even though there's a lot going on elsewhere. He has been wearing those boots a ton, but they really suit his style, and I love them. And as with all Luka Sabbat looks, the dreadlocks are very much a centerpiece. The dreadlocks and like his facial attributes always play a big part in his outfit, I think. It's a very daily one. I think it's a good one to start with. Nothing insane, just like how he dresses normally. It's a bit too color coordinated for my liking, but I think it's a cool look. Next one. And for look number 2, we have a very typical Luka Sabbat look that is full leather, almost full leather at least, with cowboy boots. It looks like snakeskin cowboy boots. I love the pants to shoe interaction. It's like the perfect length. He definitely suits these like slimmer leather pants, and I think it looks really good with a leather coat as well. I believe it's like a fur trench coat type of thing. In photo number 2, he's standing with Future, which is kind of sick. Both of them are in full leather looks. And yeah, the boots look sick. Everything else is all black. He has like a graphic tee on. I love how the dreadlocks interact with the fur. I think that looks really good, and it's a good look. It's really strong actually. What I do like about it though is like he manages to make these very out there looks look kind of toned down. I don't know what it is. It might just be his attitude, but a lot of people could not rock that and look effortless. I believe that might be his like strongest part of his style, the way that he just makes everything look effortless. And yeah, next look. And for look number 3, we have an absolute slapper of a look. He has like a shearling coat on with insanely wild fur on it, I guess. Almost look like it's bleached fur, which is sick. And then with like a tiger stripe sort of corduroy pair of trousers with cowboy boots. This is absolutely sick. Might be one of his stronger, more recent looks in my opinion. The pants look insane on him and they work perfectly with the boots. The color palette, insane. I love how the jacket is closed. I'm usually like a keep my jackets open type of guy, but in this case, it looks so good closed. And then in the photo number 2, you can see like the accessories with the t-shirt, the, I believe, Goro belt, I'm not sure. Chrome Hearts wallet chain, 2 of them actually with the zipper. Not with the Zippo, I mean, not zipper. Absolutely insane look. And like I said, one of his best recent ones. And the next look is a full Rick Owens look, which suits him absolutely fantastic in my opinion. We have a pair of Bolan's leather pants, which I think he wears quite a lot. He's gonna wear it in one of the later looks as well. He's wearing bow guns under the flares. It just works so well. And then for the shirt, he's wearing a Larry shirt, which just works wonders with this look. The length of the shirt, I think, really works well with the Bolans. I love how it's not Bolan's banana cuts, because I think the zipper would just be too much in this look, but the leather carries it really well. And yeah, looks effortless, nothing too insane, all black. He could wear this anywhere. To be fair, this look I could steal completely. I love everything about this look. And it's quite simple as well. I think that's probably what I like the most about Luka's style. Everything doesn't have to be overstated or way over the top. Everything is kind of like toned down, not a ton of different pieces all the time. Most of the looks are very daily looks. And I think that's what I've taken the most from his style, to like not have to wear a ton of different pieces, but good quality pieces that go well together can create a good outfit. And the next look is absolutely insane. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is what he wore to an ERD show. Enfants riches de prime. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not French. But the look is insane. The boots are absolutely wild. It's like an insaner pair of kiss heels, but with a slimmer leather trouser. it just looks with a slight boot cut, let's be honest, but it's insane. The crop top looks sick, the cropped tank top even, belt's wild. I love that the belt is red, that kind of looks good. Great look. Again, we can see that it's not a ton of different pieces, but they just all work perfectly with each other. They just interact at the perfect place, if you will. This is one of his more androgynous looks, like daily wear looks, I'd say. I generally think that androgynous looks work really well with him, as he looks kind of like a rock star already. He could be Lenny Kravitz's son, and yeah, this one is no different. Insane look. The pants work really well with the boots here too. And in the next look, he's wearing the same leather Bolans as he did wear with the full Rick look. And I believe he's wearing a Balenciaga bomber jacket with it. And the same bogans, actually, as one of the previous looks as well. But yeah, chrome hearts wallet chain, insane belt. The silhouette is absolutely wild. I might have to get a pair of Bolans that are not the banana cuts. Speaks for itself. Perfectly accessorized. Nothing insane. But it's just an insanely well done daily look. You can literally wear this pretty much anywhere apart from a black tie event. The only thing I don't like, actually, now that I'm seeing it, I didn't notice this before, and that is the fact that he has a red t-shirt on. That is very, like, clashing with the jacket. Not a big fan of that, but it is what it is. We found something negative. Another great look apart from that. Pants just work so well with these boots and with his style in general. Insane. And for the next look, he's wearing something a bit more military-esque. It features a long military parka type of thing. I need to figure out what that is, because that is absolutely wild. Leather Geth Bellas? I don't know. They might be Rick, I believe they are, but they're absolutely insane. And then he has like Balenciaga striker boots, I believe, on feet. And he's also wearing some clear glasses, probably Cartier, not 100% sure on that. Fun fact, I actually bought a pair of Gucci like yellow tinted aviators like in 2019 because I saw similar stuff on Luka. And that was 2019, so that's like 5 years ago. I actually lost those glasses on the train once. And now they're gone, which is one of my more sadder moments ever. And the next look is an absolute classic. It's very like Luka Sabbat back in the day. Straight leg jeans, cowboy boots, Celine varsity jacket, and you're good to go. Love this look. The red tinted jacket with the car in the background, and the jeans work well with the sky, the boots with the ground. That is just the perfect fit pick. The look in general though, super easy, nothing insane, but again, he elevates a very simple look through how he looks facially, and with the hair, the tattoos, the sunglasses, the mustache, everything. It just works really well with him. I'm not gonna talk too much about this one. You've seen similar outfits, but I don't think you've seen as good one as this one. And the next one is probably the best example of how to wear a really simple outfit, and that is this just black t-shirt with leather pants and then cowboy boots. It's just elevated through the accessories, the sunglasses, the hats, the heart ring, belt, tattoos, again the hair. It just looks like a very completed outfit, and to be fair, it's not a lot of pieces, and not a lot of people can look this good and this cool with this few pieces. It's very underestimated how seriously impressive this is. I know it sounds like I'm glazing a bit today, but he is seriously well dressed. And especially this era of Luka, because nowadays some of his outfits are a bit more, there's a bit more going on sometimes, but like he's like 2019 to 2022 outfits, absolutely insane. It might just be that I'm almost nostalgic to them at this point, because it was like when I was like my formative fashion years, if you will, but it is what it is. And the next and final look is just a red and black look. We kind of finished where we started with a very different style though. Very Americana, cowboy boots with a suit, double-breasted, fits perfectly. Quite a loose, straight leg pair of suit trousers. This is quite a while ago, I can see, with his hair being like tied up instead of all the way down. I can't actually see the year this was posted, but it looks insane. And yeah, I think this is like a great place to end, because you can see the whole style evolution. The red just pops perfectly with the black. The black almost pops out from the red in this case. And I think it looks really good. That was the final outfit. But now that we've seen all of the 10 looks, what's the final verdict? Luka Sabbat's style is, in my opinion, one of the best ones, at least on Instagram. I've always said and I always believe that the best dressed person in the world is someone we don't know. Like he or she does not have Instagram or a YouTube channel or anything focused around their style. They're just most likely dressing for like, the purpose they have, you know what I mean? But anyhow, Luka is probably the best dressed on Instagram. Again, he is my biggest fashion inspiration, so I'm very heavily biased here. But he's the reason why I got into Rick Owens, probably. Reason why I'm really heavily into Balenciaga, Rick, avant-garde in general, but like more of the grungy parts of it. What I think he does the best is, like I've mentioned earlier quite a lot, is making a simple outfit look very well styled and very effortless. And he can also take a very over-styled outfit and make it look effortless, which very few people can. I think one of the reasons why he can do that is because he actually wears his pieces. You can see a lot of wear and tear on them, of course, depending on the looks, but you can very often see heel drags. You can see the boots being a bit scuffed. You can see like marks of wear on each piece normally. And I think that just makes it look like he actually lives in his outfits, which is so much cooler than putting on a brand new piece of clothing right off the rack. Like all of your full outfit is just new pieces. I don't think that works well, in my opinion. It just goes to show that wearing your pieces is definitely the way to go. And I would give Luka Sabbat an easy 10. I can't really give him anything else because, like I said, he is, in my opinion, number one. And if you are the best dressed, you are, of course, a 10 out of 10. There are, of course, now and then outfits that I would change something on, but that's sort of how you learn to dress better and you find new styling techniques, you try stuff, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. In this example, I didn't really show you a lot of the outfits that I'm not 100% a fan of. I just wanted to show you like how good someone can dress, just because I knew from the get-go that this was going to be a 10 out of 10. And if I'm going to have to choose a favorite, it might just be this one, the t-shirt and leather pants. It's so simple. You can wear this anywhere. It's nothing out of the absolute ordinary. But like I said, it really takes a certain guy to wear this with this amount of sauce. You know what I mean? It is just really impressive. And yeah, like I said, it's heavily underestimated how hard it is to make it look that good. Do you agree with my rating? You probably don't. I know a lot of people hate on this guy, which I've never seemed to understand. Like they call him a nepo baby and everything. I don't care. But I think he dresses really well, and I think he actually dares to push the style forward. He's not stuck in one place, because then everything would become a bit stale, right? I'm gonna stand behind my rating. Tell me in the comments though, like I said, do you agree or not? And who should I review next? And again, I want to remind you to consider subscribing and liking the video if you want to see more from us. And yeah, thanks for watching.